To buy and send Bitcoin. Start by clicking the icon in the bottom left to access the Cash Up feature. Select the Bitcoin option and enter the amount you wish to invest. For this example, $5 will be used. You will then be prompted to verify the transaction, which will be confirmed once completed. After buying Bitcoin, stay on the Bitcoin page and click the Send Bitcoin option. Here, you will see the amount of Bitcoin available to send, displayed as a point number amount. Enter the amount you want to send, ensuring it is less than the available amount. For instance, if you want to send $4, the corresponding Bitcoin amount will be displayed. And if it is less than the available amount, you can proceed to send the Bitcoin. Click Send and select the recipient's address by choosing the Name, Cash Tag, or BTC address option. Copy and paste the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, which is typically a long string of characters. Confirm the address by selecting the name. Then click Next. You will then be asked to choose the speed of the withdrawal, for example, priority, and click Next to proceed. Finally, confirm the withdrawal amount and click Done to complete the transaction. Once the process is finished, you will have successfully sent the specified amount of Bitcoin to another wallet.